Hey everybody, my name is Tony Pierce, and for the last 11 years I've been an Uber driver. The last 9 years I've been a Lyft driver. I currently own a Tesla Y 2023, and today I'm here to show you about a new product called Key from a company named MATT3R. The Tesla has a lot of great features, including the ability to record videos from multiple cameras. But the problem is, it's often difficult to find those moments in those videos when something happened. Things like when an accident happened or when somebody approached your car. The Key takes these videos that Tesla records and allows you to see them in a smart way on your phone using their app. Setup is to the point. You take your existing thumb drive out of the glove box and replace it with the Key. Then download the MATT3R app, configure it both to your Tesla as well as to your Wi-Fi so they can both talk to each other. If you have Dropbox, you can even have it store all of your videos up into the cloud. Now, if you're a rideshare driver like me, you probably consider getting a dash camera, but most dash cams either block your windshield or just look clunky. The Key gives you that same protection without taking up space or obstructing your view. And a heads up, they've got a cabin view accessory coming soon, so you'll be able to capture even more without mounting anything on your glass. Once you're synced up and ready to drive, anytime you want to look back at any of your trips, all you have to do is have a strong Wi-Fi signal for the Key to talk to your phone. Now, if your car isn't parked close to your home Wi-Fi, you don't need to bring the Key inside. A lot of drivers use an USB LTE dongle so the Key can stay connected no matter where you are, whether it's on the street, in an apartment complex, or even while traveling. The Key makes maps for every trip that you make without you having to do a thing. This will come in handy if you're a driver who likes to track your miles and no longer want to pay for expensive tracking programs. The maps in the app can also refresh your memory. If somebody said they forgot something in your car, you can see from the map, oh yeah, that was the ride right after that other trip. One of the best features, the Key automatically detects incidents. If there's harsh braking, a forward collision warning, or your full self-driving disengages, it instantly tags that moment on the map. No need to honk or scrub through the endless raw files. Just tap the marker in the app and you're there. That's a huge help if you're ever in a sticky situation and need to show what really happened. The Key from MATT3R runs about $199. It runs with iPhone and Android. And if you have a Tesla and drive a lot and have been looking for an alternative for that teeny thumb drive that came with your car, then the Key might be what you've been looking for. Thanks for listening and safe driving.